everyone, welcome to the channel of Atoms and Addition Hub. So in today's class, we are going to discuss ICSE Board 10th grade chapter 5, that is quadratic equations. So in previous video, we have seen exercise 5C part 1. So now we are going to discuss exercise 5C part 2 and it will start from the fourth equation. So what is the fourth equation here? Solve each of the following equations for x. So we have to solve the quadratic equation and to find the values of x. So the first question here is 3x square minus 12x minus 1 equals to 0. So I'll write the values of a is equals to 3 and b is equals to minus 12 and c is equals to minus 1. So now I'll substitute the values of a, b and c in the equation. That is x is equals to minus b plus or minus root of b square minus 4ac divided by 2a. So what is minus b here? Minus of minus 12 plus or minus b square is minus 12 square minus 4 into a is 3 into c is minus 1. So divided by 2 into a is 3. So if I simplify this, I'll get it as 12 plus or minus root of 12 square is 144 plus 4 3s are 12 divided by 6, which gives 12 plus or minus root of 156. So 144 plus 12 is 156 divided by 6. So if I simplify this, I'll get it as 12 plus or minus root 156 is nothing but 12.489. Here I am taking the 3 decimal places. Why? Because they have mentioned here giving your answer correct to the 3 decimal places. So 3 decimal places they have asked here. So I am taking the roots of 156 as 12.489 divided by 6. So the possibilities here are x is equals to 12 plus 12.489 divided by 6 or x is equals to 12 minus 12.489 divided by 6. So I'll get here x is equals to 24.489 divided by 6 or x is equals to minus 0.489 divided by 6. So I'll get the values of x as x is equals to 4.082 or x is equals to minus 0.082. So these two are the values of x, that is x is equals to 4.082 or x is equals to minus 0.082. I hope this is clear now. So we will move to the second question. So what is the second question they have given here is x square minus 16x plus 6 is equals to 0. So we will write the value of a as 1, b as minus 16 and c as 6. So if we substitute in the x is equals to minus b plus or minus root of b square minus 4ac divided by 2a. In this equation, we will get the values as minus of minus 16 plus or minus root of 16 square minus 4 into a is 1 into c is 6 divided by 2 into 1. So if I simplify this, I'll get it as 16 plus or minus root of 16 square is 256 minus 24 divided by 2. So if I simplify this once again, I'll get 16 plus or minus root of 232 divided by 2. So I'll get the two possibilities here. Which are the two possibilities here? 16 plus or minus root 32 value is 15.231 divided by 6. 2. So I'll get the two possibilities. 16 plus 15.231 divided by 2 or 16 minus 15.231 divided by 2. So if I simplify this, I'll get the values as 31.231, which is equals to x divided by 2, or 1.231, x is equals to 1.231 divided by 2. So the values of x are, x is equals to 0.34. This becomes, first this 31.231 divided by 5 will becomes 15.616, or this 1.231 divided by 2, I'll get it as 0.384. So these are the two values of x I'll get here. We will move to the third question. So what is the third question here? 2x square plus 11x plus 4 is equals to 0. So if we find the values of a as 2, b as 11 and c as 4, I'll substitute it in x is equals to minus b plus or minus root of b square minus 4ac divided by 2a. So minus b value is minus 11 plus or minus root of 11 square minus 4 into 2 into c is 4. So divided by 2 into a is 2. So this becomes minus 11 plus or minus root of 11 square is 121. This becomes 16 to the 32. So this is 32. So divided by 4. So this becomes minus 11 plus or minus, this is root 89 divided by 4. So what is the value of root 89 here? 9.433 divided by 4. I'll get the two possibilities. X is equals to minus 11 plus 9.433 divided by 4, or x is equals to minus 11 minus 9.433 divided by 4. So x can be written as, this value is minus 2.433 divided by 4, or this becomes x is equals to minus 20.433 divided by 4. So I'll get this value as x is equals to this to minus 2.44. I'll get it as divided by 4 as 0.392 minus 0.392, and this value will becomes x is equals to minus 5.108. So these are the two values, that is x is equals to minus 0.392 and x is equals to minus 5.108. I hope the fourth question is clear for everyone. We will move to the fifth question, that is solve the equation. I'll write the equation 2x minus 1 by x is equals to 7. Write here correct answer correct to two decimal places. So we have to solve this and then we will place it to the correct two decimal places. So this becomes 2x square minus 1 divided by x is equals to 7. So if I solve this, I'll get it as 2x square minus 1 is equals to 7x. So if I rearrange this, I'll get 2x square, this plus 7x will becomes minus 7x minus 1 equals to 0. So now I'll write the values of a, b as well as c. A is equals to 2 here, this is 2, and b is equals to minus 7 and c is equals to minus 1. I'll substitute in the equation x is equals to minus b plus or minus root of b square minus 4ac divided by 2a. So minus b is minus of minus 7 plus or minus root of b square is minus 7 square minus 4 into a is 2 and c is minus 1 divided by 2 into a is 2. So if I simplify this, I'll get it as 7 plus or minus root 49 minus of minus is 8, 4 to the 8 divided by 4. So if I simplify 7 plus or minus 49 plus 8 is root 57 divided by 4. So 7 plus or minus root 57 value is 7.55 divided by 4. I'll get the two possibilities. X is equals to 7 plus 7.55 divided by 4, or x is equals to 7 minus 7.55 divided by 4. I'll get x is equals to 14.55 divided by 4, which is equals to 3.64, or x is equals to 0.55 divided by 4, that is nothing but this is minus 0.55 divided by 4, which gives minus 0.14. So these two are the values of x, that is 3.64 or 0 minus 0.14. I hope this is clear. So next, sixth question is solve the correct following equation and give your answer correct to three significant figures. So I'll write the equation 5x square minus 3x minus 4 is equals to 0. And what are the values of a? A is 5, b is minus 3 and c is minus 4. So x is equals to minus b plus or minus root of b square minus 4ac divided by 2a. If I substitute divided by 2a. So I'll write the values of minus b as minus of minus 3 plus or minus root of b square is minus 3 whole square minus 4 into a value is 5 into c value is minus 4 divided by 2 into a. 2 into a is 5. So if I simplify this, I'll get it as 3 plus or minus 9 plus 80 divided by 10. So if I simplify this, plus or minus root of 89 divided by 10. So what is the value of root 89? It is 9.434 divided by 10. So two possibilities, x is equals to 3 plus 9.434 divided by 10, or x is equals to 3 minus 9.434 divided by 10. So I'll get x is equals to 12.434 divided by 10, which is equals to 1.243, or x is equals to minus 6.434 divided by 10. So I'll get it as minus 0.643. So these are the two values of x, that is x is equals to 1.243 and x is equals to minus 643.643. I hope this is clear. We will move to the seventh question, that is solve for x using the quadratic formula. Write your answer correct to 2 decimal places. So what is the value? X minus 1 whole square minus 3x plus 4 is equals to 0. So this is of the form a minus b whole square. So a minus b whole square is nothing but a square minus 2. A is x into b is 1 plus b square is 1 square, that is 1 minus 3x as it is plus 4 as it is. So if I simplify, I'll get it as x square minus 5x plus 5 equals to 0. So a value is 1, b value is minus 5 and c value is 5. So I'll write x is equals to minus b plus or minus root of b square minus 4ac divided by 2a. So if I substitute the values, minus of minus 5 plus or minus root of b square is minus 5 square minus 4 into a is 1 into c is 5 divided by 2 into a is 1. So I'll write 5 plus or minus root of 25 and minus 20 divided by 2. So I'll get 5 plus or minus root 5 divided by 2. So this becomes 5 plus or minus root 5 value is 2.24 divided by 2. I'll get the two possibilities here. So x is equals to 5 plus 2.24 divided by 2, or x is equals to 5 minus 2.24 divided by 2. X is equals to 7.24 divided by 2, or x is equals to 3.24 divided by 2. That is x is equals to, the value is 3.6 or x is equals to 1.4. So these two are the values of x. I hope 5C exercise is clear for everyone. Thank you all.